G'day DIYers, just doing another niche. I'm just setting up my aluminium and we'll be good to go. I do the bottom, the sides and the top, and then I'm doing the same as my floor tile in the back here, because I'm doing the ensuite of the bathroom I did a few weeks ago. Back again now at the same place I was a few weeks ago. So the lady I'm doing this job for will be back to normal soon, which is cool. I hope to be finished tomorrow afternoon. Where are my wedges? I need to take off a little bit of okay, good to go. Right, I'll just cut some white tile and I'll come back to you. Yes, DIY, this is always how I do a niche. I do my aluminium first, then I do the sides, and then I put in the bottom and then the top, because then you're not having to cut your sides for the slope, to, allowing for the slope, so it's all good. Always making sure you're doing your edge for the aluminium. I do like to use a milled edge against my aluminium as well. Putting a nice little bit of slope. Yeah, that's, I like not too much. You don't want the bottles of shampoo sliding off. So sort of 1.5 mil, 2 mil. I might as well put in a clip, make life easier. I have got a little bit of glue on this one, so these clips are just a no-brainer. Now, when you're doing your top, you always have your aluminium as close to the top as you can. Then you're using less glue and you've got less chance of it falling. But if you do have to put in a fair bit of glue, well, then you just prop it up. And you just push it in, push it into place like that. A clip. Check that it's going to fit. Yep. Bit of glue from aluminium. And whooshka. Bit of a jiggle, bit of a push into place, throw your clip in, like that. Now I always give it a little bit of a quirk. So I get my wedge there and I just push it out a little. Looking at your miters, you're feeling if they're nice and flush. Where is my trowel? I'm going to do this floor next. Always feeling that it's noise. Right, same quirk. It's out the same. That needs to come out. That's good. That's good. Now I'll put the floor tile up in there. That could just come along a little. Just got to try and square that up a little. That's good. Good one. Right. Tomorrow morning I will put the floor tile up in there. Okay, I'll start on this floor now. See you soon.